I made resolution when this year started. I thought that I would become a fluent English speaker in 2025. But when I see the calendar, this year is about to end. I have just 2.5 months left. What can I do? How can I improve my English? And what about my dream? What about my resolution which I made starting of this year? Will I once again make when 2026 will arrive? I mean in January 2026, once again I will make resolution, and will I be able to complete that one or not? I'm worried. I couldn't improve my English. My friend, still you have 2.5 months. And if you practice good way, you can improve your English in 2.5 months also a lot. So if you want to improve your English, then watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, I'm also not different from you. I used to write down everything but not following entire year. Just regretting in the end of the year that I wish I could have done with focused. But I want to tell you one thing. If you work hard, it is less painful. But if you regret, that is going to give you more pain. Regression hits more than your hard work. Whatever hard work you do, it is less painful. But if you regret sitting somewhere that I wish I could have done something in this year, it is more painful because you cannot get your time what you have already spent, right? So that is why if you want to do something, then do it. So my friend, let me tell you one good news, that still we have 2.5 months left. If we start practicing with focus and with consistency, then we'll get fluency. I can't assure that you will start speaking this language very fluently, or whatever you are going to learn any other skill you will master in 2.5 months. I can't guarantee, but one thing I can assure you, that you will get some level. You will get something if you be focused. So that is why if you are a learner, my friend, I would say that start focusing. Just give 1 hour. We have 24 hours, right? Everyone has 24 hours, but some of them they use it wisely, some of them they use not wisely. I mean, they think that we have a lot of time. What if I waste 1 hour? What if I waste 1 month? What if I waste 1 year? So if they don't be concerned about their time, so my friend, they will regret. So if you are someone and trying to learn this language, then think that still you have 2.5 months and be focused. Start practicing from today onwards. Start working hard. If you feel that your grammar is not good, work hard on your grammar. 2.5 months, if you work on your grammar, you will have good knowledge about grammar, right? If you start practicing, if you start speaking and continuously you're going to speak 2.5 months, it means a lot. Okay, so I told you that I am also same kind of person. I used to do the same thing, making resolution and not following. But now whatever I decide, I do, either small or big. Okay, it takes time to think about something big, and if I think, I stick with my idea. Okay, no matter what it is going to cost, whether I will have to work hard every single day or what, I do. In your case also, do it. You will see that you will achieve whatever you want. You need fluency, right? So start practicing from today onwards. Start listening, reading, writing, talking with people, and reading books. Everything, it is going to help you. And if you find that you are struggling somewhere in grammar, then learn grammar. My friend, 2.5 months means a lot. So work hard. Okay, but here there are a lot of people, they will not even focus now also. They will focus when they will have few days, maybe 5 days, 6 days. then they will notice, oh, I have only 5 days. So in 5 6 days you won't be able to speak this language, but in 2.5 months you can do a lot. That's why I'm reminding you that you have still time in this year also. Okay, so from today onwards, I believe that whatever resolution you are going to make, you will complete. My friend, when someone comes, I feel little awkward. See that lady, she's passing, so I felt that what I should speak, because I don't write. When I make video, I don't write. I just watch video, I get knowledge from here and there, and then I speak on the spot. So when someone comes, sometime I think that what if I forget, but if I mug up from somewhere and someone is coming, I may forget the entire things. But it is in my mind, because I'm not reading or mugging up from somewhere, because I haven't read from somewhere. Okay, that's why the chances are that I won't forget. So yeah, it happens with me most. When someone comes or stranger pass by the place where I make video, I feel little uncomfortable, but no problem. So this is what, my friend, still you have time, and 2.5 months means a lot. Okay, every day try to give 1 hour. Did you hear me what I'm saying? Just 1 hour. You might be thinking, oh God, 1 hour. My friend, you are going to learn this beautiful language. It will help you a lot. It may help you in your job or in travel. So many places it will help you. Okay, I can not even define here. I cannot even tell you exactly that where it can help you. So just learn this language. And I'm not just talking about this language. Whatever dream, whatever skill you want to learn, still you have 2.5 months. You can start from today onwards. It's not all about learning English language, right? This language will help us a lot, but other thing also we need to focus in our life, right? So this is evening time when I'm recording my video, and a lot of goats, they are creating noise. They are this side grazing grass, yeah, but they cannot stop me from making my video. So this is what, my friend, why I'm saying this thing, because new year is about to come, and once again you will write somewhere, you will make resolution. And I should tell you that don't only write, follow also. Do hard work for your dream, and you will achieve, because I believe in you. Okay, so believe in yourself that whatever you have decided, you will achieve, and then you will definitely. So this is what. And recently I have come to know that many people, they think that whatever she says, she doesn't do. How many of you think that whatever Anita shares, most of things are not real? She might be reading from somewhere and sharing with us. My friend, let me tell you one thing, that most of the things I have experienced, and most of the things I have already tried. Okay, just like for learning English language, and some uh, real life experience I have. So that's what I share. But many of you might be thinking that she shares from somewhere, maybe mugging up from somewhere and then sharing with us. No, it's not like that. Most of the things I share with you, whatever I do. Okay, and this is my thought, that I'll keep sharing whatever I do, and whatever I'll achieve in my life, I'll always share with you people. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.